Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing and freezing issue with the Cycle Frontier game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Now this is important. For many users, restarting the computer has worked. So restart your computer and after the system restart, launch the game. Still you are facing the problem, then uninstall and reinstall BattlEye service. For this, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Now open the BattlEye folder. Now over here you can see uninstall battleye.bat. Make a double click and then uninstall BattlEye. Click on yes to allow. Now once this is uninstalled, now restart your computer. Now after the system restart, come back to the same location and then make a double click on install battleye.bat. Click on yes. Now the next step is to rename WindowsNoEditor folder. For this, go to the file explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data folder. If you don't see app data on the top, click on view and then put a check on the box which says hidden items. In Windows 11 somewhere over here you will find view. Click on view and then click on show and then put a check on hidden items and then open app data folder. Now open the local folder. Now open prospect folder. Open saved folder. Now open the config folder. Over here you can see WindowsNoEditor. Make a right click, then click on rename and then you can rename it as WindowsNoEditor.old. Now launch the game. Still you are facing the problem, then delete the save game folder. So open the prospect folder this time and then make a right click, then click on delete. Now before you delete it, let me inform you that you will lose all the game progress once you delete the saved folder. So if you want, delete it. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to don't run Steam and the game as an administrator. So type in Steam in Windows search box, make a right click on Steam app, then click on open file location. Now make a right click on Steam, select properties, go to compatibility, and if the box which says run this program as an administrator, uncheck this and then click on apply. Okay. Now go to the game installation folder. After this, once you uncheck Steam as an administrator, you have to restart Steam. So close the Steam and then uncheck the box which says run as an administrator, then relaunch Steam and then go to the game installation folder and then make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the compatibility. If this is checked, uncheck run this program as an administrator, uncheck this and then click on apply. Okay, and launch the game. Now the next step is to verify the game file. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game. Next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. On NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. So make sure that you select the right graphic card. So select your graphic card over here. In my case, I have selected my graphic card. You select your graphic card and then select the right operating system from here. In my case, it's Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11, then click on Start Search. Now once you click on Start Search, scroll down. The top one is generally GeForce Game Ready driver. Right now it is showing NVIDIA Studio driver, so I will download GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one. So on the top you might see GeForce Game Ready driver. So download the latest version. So click on get download and then once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and then click on OK and let the process complete. Now click on agree and continue and then select the option which says custom and then click on next. Now put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. So put a check over here and then click on next and let the installation complete. Now after the installation, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. If you are using Windows security, then go to the start menu, click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, you will see option privacy and security. So click on privacy and security. If you have Windows 10, click on update and security and then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So if it is installed in C drive, open C drive, then program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. In my case it's in D drive. So open Steam library folder, Steam apps, common, then open the cycle folder. Now select the game.exe file over here, then click on open. Once the game is added, click on add an allowed app, click on browse all app once again. Open prospect folder, binaries, Win64. Select this prospect Win64 shipping.exe, then click on open. Once this is added, now launch the game. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. Make sure that the game is running on dedicated graphic card. For this, type in graphics settings and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse. Now again go to the game installation folder. So open the Steam folder, Steam apps, common, the cycle. Select the game.exe file, then click on add. Once the game is added, click on options, high performance, save. Again click on browse. This time open prospect folder, binaries, Win64. Select prospect Win64 shipping.exe. And once the game is added over here, click on options, select high performance, then click on save. Now launch the game. Next step is to disable Steam overlay. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the general tab, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game and then launch the game. Now the next step is to close all the overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. So if you have this running, close it. Now if you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay application and then launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft websites. Scroll down. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Install x86 and x64 version. So click on both the file and then run both the file, that is x86 and x64. Now you might see install option over here. So click on install. If you see the repair option, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. Now run the second file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Now after the installation, restart your computer. So once this is installed, you will see the restart option. Make sure both the installation are complete and then restart your computer. So here you can see the restart option. Let both the installation complete. Now click on restart to restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running, make sure that you close MSI Afterburner. So if this is running, close it. If you have ReverTuner running, close ReverTuner. So close all the overclocking application. Also perform Cleanboot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all. Now click on apply, then click on OK, and then you will see the restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update your Windows. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on update in security or Windows update, then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So try launching the game on single monitor. So if you have multiple monitor setup, disconnect multiple monitor and then launch the game. Also unplug all the USB devices which you are not using. So disconnect these devices. Also, if you have these software running, close these software. So make sure only the game and the Steam is running. Rest close everything, including all the browsers. Also remove undervolt. So if you have undervolted your hardware, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to launch the game in window mode. So if you are able to launch the game, in my case it's patching right now. So first of all, launch the game and then go to the graphics settings, and then if everything is set to high, you can select medium or low performance, and if the game is running in full screen, you can change it to window mode, lower down resolution and then check the performance. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drives. So first of all, uninstall the game, make a right click, manage, then click on uninstall. Now after you uninstall it, go to the game installation folder. So manually go to the game installation folder and delete the game folder. So delete the cycle folder and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, reinstall the game to different drives. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then launch the game. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.